me just get the camera ready.
Oh, you're on you.
Hello, look at that. Who's that sexy beast? It's Rosie.
Oh, I thought it meant you. Oh.
Alright, so what are we doing today, Rosie?
Oh, yeah. Oh, gosh, I've just seen what I look like. Oh, no, don't look. Okay, so...
Today? Okay.
So we've done this wiggly frame, and we realised that we need... well, it's going to be raining all week, so we need to do this now. And we're going to brace the frame as best we can, and we're going to make a frame to go in. Oh look, we've got visitors. Are you going to help?
No, you're not going to help.
I reckon they might do in a bit.
Yeah.
Okay, so
okay.
We bought some really cheap wood. We were on a really tight budget, by the way, so that's everything that everyone needs to know. That's why it's very homemade.
So very
we
wiggly.
bought some really cheap, I don't really call it, just thin wood, which we were going to make a frame to fit inside here. And Dave's found some lino.
Yep.
So, and we're going to make a frame to fit inside here and put some linos taut on it, so then underneath will be waterproof. And then we want to layer the top in either panels of wood that we found, or, which is going to be more work, a prettier version of lots of strings of branches and things that were cut to have a kind of log cabin feel. That's our preference, but we don't know if we've got straight enough wood to do it, and if we don't, it's going to be a lot of cuts because we'll have to do half size on both sides all the way along. But so yeah, so the first thing we're going to do is brace the frame and make the frames for the top, and then we'll see where we're at about how we can cover it to make it look pretty and add a bit more weatherproofing.
Yeah, it's cool.